Welcome to part 4 of the playlist for beginner level C#. All this video will be focused around the interaction of our console program and the user, meaning us. And again, by console I'm not referring to a gaming console, I'm referring to this black window right here. A console program is a working area that does not contain a GUI, or a graphical user interface, which is a program that contains buttons, text inputs, images, and so on and so forth. A console program is a TUI, which is a terminal user interface, meaning a user interface that is based entirely on text. If you are wondering what a terminal is, you should know that in the very early years of computing, computers were these massive machines that filled entire rooms, and people were interacting with them through these devices called terminals, which were essentially a keyboard and a screen combination. Anyway, there are two operations that you can do with a UI, any UI: input and output, or as you'll hear them acronymed, I/O. When it comes to output, you've already seen it in the previous lesson. We've used Console.WriteLine to, well, output text on the screen. And it looks like this. We also have Console.Write, which basically does the same thing, but it doesn't move the caret or the cursor on the next line. So it's still on a single line. When it comes to input, it's just as simple. We have console read and console read line, which, you guessed it, reads text entered by the user. The difference is that the first one will read the single character like this. And if I run it, it will wait for me to press any character and enter. The other one allows me to enter as many characters as I want until I press enter, like this. And now I can type anything and press enter. For the most part, we will use just console read line and console write line. These are basically all you need to know about interacting with a console program. However, these are not the only functionalities that you can access. If you are curious and you like tinkering with things, you could try, for instance, changing the color of the text or of the background, like this. Or you could try setting the cursor at some precise line and column, like so. And is set right here. Or you could try clearing the text, like this. And so on and so forth. There are even specialized libraries that try to emulate a GUI in a terminal, like this one. How cool is that? Anyway guys, that's all I had for you for today. As you can see, there is nothing to be scared about. Console programs are easy. At some point in the future we'll get to GUI programs and even websites, so don't forget to subscribe or you might miss that. For now though, if you enjoyed this video, press the like button and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech frame.